No problem. So this is the block player learning module based on their hour of code thing. And of course, there we go. Um, so what I was really proud of not just getting their code to work, but I also managed to get controller support and save game support going. And I know those are small things, but when you're trying to figure out somebody else's database and make things work, um, that's always a fun thing. So you can fly around the world and play Minecraft as it is. To see here, still working on. There we go. Different little bricks that we can place in there and have fun with. So for those of you who know Michael, shoot, there's my son. He likes. Where am I doing? Oh, there's right. That's the button control. He likes building houses and stuff in Minecraft, so that's what we were going with. What I found annoying about the hour of code module, of all things, was any good video game should have a goal. And although this one is to try and make a Minecraft emulator, I would have loved if some of the tutorials in Unreal really focused on how to take your idea from concept to implementation, thinking about the player interactions and thinking about how to make a goal system in this. So that would be where I would go next with this. Um, but I really enjoyed learning about how to get all the different structures, arrays, troubleshooting features working in this one in a lot more powerful way than I had with some of the other learning modules. At the end of the day, I was surprised how much I actually enjoyed working through this one and how well structured it was as a tutorial. So that's my little talk. Um, just want to give a shout out to the community. Of all of the communities I've been in, this one is one of the most supportive and most energy giving that I've been involved in. I've been really impressed with the people and the positive vibes that constantly are flowing here. So, Daniel, good job. Dylan, I know back in 2014, 2016, you were leading the charge, really appreciated it. And this is definitely a highlight. So thank you.